Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I will show you how to use screen recording on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first scroll down from the top right corner, and here we're looking for the screen recorder, which is right here. Press on it, give it permissions, press OK. So now you can see it's recording with your microphone. To mute, simply press here. Now the phone doesn't hear you. To unmute, press again, because it's a toggle. You can pause, unpause, and of course to end your recording, simply press this little square. So now let's look in the gallery for the video we recorded. Open gallery, and here's our video. Unmute. You can faintly hear my voice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the HONOR X channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.